Hi, and welcome back to Rich Fisher Art. It's been a good solid 8 or 9 years since I've had my own studio. And I went into business and enjoyed it for a while. Ended up losing some friends, as you don't go into business with friends apparently, which is unfortunate. But however, I'm getting back to what I think I was meant to be doing all along, and that's painting and my sharing of painting with everybody. So I thoroughly enjoy that. What I'm going to do over the next couple of videos, I'm just going to show you the process that I've had to go through to get back to having my own studio. And then after these couple of videos, I'm going to get back to doing once a month a new video and a process where you can paint along with me at Rich Fisher Art. Again, I appreciate you all watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. And then please comment anything you want to see done or you want me to do. I'd be happy to take a look at it. And let's get right to it. Here's a quick video on how this all transpired and what's coming up next. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, talk to you soon. And what a mess. So I'm like most hobby artists. I just don't have time or the space really to have a real true studio. This is my mess, and I've got some of the paintings that I make prints off of and copies of, etc., hanging up. I need to figure out how to archive them, save them, but this is my studio. Yes, that is the painting we're going to work on next. I'm still doodling around with it, but I've got just so much crap everywhere. I need to get this resolved. I need to make this a much more artistic working environment. This closet I've got is full almost to the top with paintings that are complete. Paintings I'll probably, I don't know, I'm thinking I'm actually gonna just cut them off of the canvas board and just start this huge pile roll. And with that, I'll just archive them, give them to my kids, leave them to them if they want them, fine. If they want to use them for kindling, fine. It's just one of those things, but here's what's going on. My plan is, my wife and I are buying some property up in northern Arizona, and I intend on building a studio on the property. And in this studio, I will complete my mission of doing a painting a month, but it's going to take me a little bit more than a month to get done. So we plan on closing sometime in January, and up in Chino Valley area, it's going to be very cold and I probably won't be able to get much done in that time frame. So our plan is to by April, May, have enough done on the property that we can actually be staying there and working on things. And I can get back to painting. As it is right now, I am trying to clean up this mess that I call a studio, which is just one of the bedrooms in the house, and I've taken it and converted it to a studio. But trying to get all my paintings done has been, into storage, has been a complete nightmare. Let me show you. So what I've done is I had to go in and take all of my paintings off of, not all of them, most of my paintings off of their stretcher bars and roll them up into big rolls. That's the only way I can figure out how to transport them. But I still have to get all of this packed into boxes and all the nail holes I put in my walls filled. So I am in a state of chaos right now trying to get this all done. If you would so kindly please bear with me as I attempt to get all this done and get this move in progress. It's exciting for me to be able to focus on what I really want to do, and I'm gonna get there one way or the other. Well, today's the day we've been waiting for. We just got delivered my wife's she shed, which her plan is to just be herself, have a place to relax, a place to be creative, get some gardening done. It took me quite a while to get the base put down, but it's all down. And this is a cool little unit. Made sure that they didn't finish the inside. We wanted to do all the interior finishes, so We have to do the ceilings. We still have to do the walls, insulation. We have a mini split. But the great part of this is the view. The view on this place for my wife. She's very happy. That is actually Bill Williams Mountain. And she is gonna have a great time taking care of business in this, having fun. But the guy that made these is a guy locally in Chino, and the place is called Easy Structures. So that's one. We'll have another one that's gonna go right here. I'll get some video out on that. Bear with me. I'll see you guys next week.